Shenzhen Topway New Energy Company Limited is a new energy technology group company integrating R&D production and sales. The company was established in 2013 and has been committed to the development and design of high-tech lithium batteries for many years. Topway focus on manufacturing and design of lithium battery packs for green energy storage systems and provide the full services of customized battery products, including battery design, development, selection cells, and BMS charger and after-sale service. The main products include OEM and ODM LiFePO4 battery pack Walmart ESS, all-in-one mobile ESS, stackable home energy system, high-voltage battery system, inverter, DIY battery case, photovoltaic solar panel, transformers, and solar street light controller. These products are widely used in the fields of home storage energy, RV energy, boat energy, UPS tower base station, solar energy storage systems, etc. Since the establishment of the company, the products have been exported to more than 100 countries and regions around the world, contributing greatly to the global supply of green energy and have been well received by users all over the world. We have overseas warehouses in Germany, Poland, USA. We will provide you with grade A battery quality fast delivery service and stable DDP transportation channel. Feel free to contact us anytime.